Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. We got another Commodore adventure again. Now usually I don't go out and buy one or two Amigas. No, I am only gonna buy if it's a bigger collection. So I saw this Amiga 500 for sale yesterday, and a couple of minutes later same seller put on an Commodore 64, and on the background I could see some stacked disk drives and all that. So I contacted him and asked about he had more than these two Commodore computers, and he said yes. I asked about he wanted to sell everything, and he said yes. So we just arranged that I should visit him and buy everything. And so I did, and I wanna share this with you guys. Look over here, we got some stuff that I'm interested to look further into, because this is some development kit for the Commodore 64, so you can control some mechanic things and all that. I'm looking forward to that. So we got a Commodore 64, Commodore 1084S monitor, tested and working. We got a, what's this one? I have never seen a monitor like this. This is called, what's it called? It's a Commodore monitor again, and it's called 1702. I don't know it, but it works. That's nice. We got another monitor here, and it says Commodore down at the bottom, and this one also works, so that's nice. We got 1541 there, 1541 2 in there. We got an Amiga 500 with some stuff in here. We got a 64C model here. We got some joys, my favorite joystick of all time. And look at this, guys. We got so much Commodore stuff, games and discs and all sort of fun stuff down here. Not easy to see. Oh, a gray joystick. What's that? It's called Turbo. Yeah, some nice stuff in there also. Oh, this is not something for the Commodore 64. Yeah, alright. And let's go on to the other side here. It's hard to see like this, but this is actually fun, because we have a lot of PSUs and all that, of course, but look at this, guys. I think it's just so nice. Look at this. All boxed new discs. I mean, where the hell do I find something like this? So many new discs and many boxed games. Actually, there were some nice Amiga games also, boxed Amiga 1200 games. Look nice. What is this? Zork. Seems like they're just only manuals. Alright, let's go on the other side here. Looking here, guys, we got some more Commodore stuff. A 64 cassette over here, more cassette down there. 64C with a, I really like this one. I have never seen one of these shields, or what's it called. We got a disk drive there, another C model, another 1541. Look, both of them 1541s, but look at the design, guys. Oh, the colors, sorry. Yeah, and another 64 here, and another disk drive down there. Some awesome stuff, guys. And well, I had some games and all that I also want to show, but they're just, it's not easy to 2 seconds, guys. They're actually boxed like this. As you can see, this one's called Burnout Amiga 1200 HD. So there are a lot of boxed games like this down there. It's not easy to see, but yeah, they're in there. We got a 1011. Let's look at that one. Yeah. Oh man, it's still got this sealing thingy on. It's a disk drive. Not easy to see. Yeah, guys. So this is my another Commodore day here with some nice Commodore stuff, man. I just want to share this one with you guys. That's just great. I'm so happy. And the adventure was together with my son for the first time, and he got some Lego he could play with and all that. It has been a great day, so I'm really looking forward to get all this stuff out and look at what's inside, because I have Commodore 64, I have Amiga 500, but I love to buy these big collections because almost every time I find something new that I have never seen before, something I can review, something I can play with, test and all that. So it's great. Oh, this one says Wizard of Oz. Nice. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I wish you a great Sunday, because my Sunday is super nice. RETROCENGO out.